In this video, we are going to learn phrases that you might hear or use in a cafe. Hi, can I get a latte, please? Could I have that to go, please? What kind of coffee do you have? I'll take 2 croissants, please. Do you have any non-dairy alternatives? Can I get a small iced coffee? What do you recommend? Can I see the menu? I'll have the same as usual. Could you make it extra large? Can I have an extra slice? Do you prefer to sit outside? I could stay here all day. There aren't many gluten-free alternatives. Let's grab a window seat. Do you want to split the bill? I needed this coffee so badly. Excuse me, is this seat taken? Could I get some sugar, please? Do you have almond milk? Sorry, I think that's my order. Thank you, that looks great. No rush, take your time. I'll come back for it in a few minutes. Thanks, have a great day. If you have enjoyed this video, remember to like it and subscribe. Thank you.